So we had ordered a studio headphone from Amazon. This is Maono AU-MH601. If you see the packaging, it got some dents here, but we'll unbox it and see if everything is all inside. So we have the invoice here. We can see that Maono AU-MH601. So this is the box. The box got some dust here. I'll show you the written price here. You can see the price written as 3299, but we got the product at the 50% discount, that is 1649 rupees, 1649. So it has written as foldable design, 50mm drivers. It has the soft earmuffs and high resolution. I don't know why they have written the high resolution. It's about the sound quality, I guess. So on the left side of that box, it has written as the 50mm drivers with high isolation earmuffs. It has a double audio ports and adjustable and foldable headbands. So at the bottom it doesn't have anything, and at the back you can see that they have written as the 100 megawatts, and it has the 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz of range. And at the top it has a QR code scanner. So we'll just open it. For the headphones, not earphones, the headphones. So, and this is the headphone, and it got the cable here. The headphone looks very premium. I'll show you. Before that, I'll show you the cable. You can see this cable have 6.3 mm jack also, and 3.5 mm jack also. So this is very nice that you can just directly connect it to the amplifier or the mixer. And this is the headphone. You can see it has a very shiny silver lining, and it has the logo inside it, and you can just fold it and you can carry it around. And on the top you will see that it has the numbers here. You can see the numbers. So it is very easy to adjust the height of the headband. So you can see this is the headphone. This is the cable. I will show you the placement of the jacks, the audio ports. You can see that in both the earmuffs they have the audio jacks. Here in the left side, I guess, port is there, and this is the 6.3 mm port. So you can connect both ports and connect it to computer, mobile, or any kind of your audio devices. So this is it. We'll check the sound quality and show it to you. So we have connected the headphones with our CPU, and we have recorded one song, and it is giving a very nice and clear sound. And this is stereo, that's why we can edit the stereo audios also. You can see that we have our tracks in our mixdown Adobe Audition, and we are mixing it down. And let's see, this is our podcasting. We'll update it and upload it also. And basically saying that this headphone is giving very powerful sound. I can say that the powerful sound, that means that it has the balanced bass and also the treble also, and it is giving like we like the sound it is producing. Thank you.